Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Telegram group chat organized and free from unwanted voice messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to prevent members from sending voice messages in your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your group. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group permissions, so double-check your status if you don't see the options mentioned here. Once you're inside your group chat, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you control how members interact within the group. Now, navigate to the Permissions section. Here, you'll see a list of actions that members are allowed to perform, such as sending messages, media, and more. Find the option labeled Send Media and click on it to expand more detailed settings. Within this menu, you'll see the option for voice messages. To prevent members from sending voice messages, simply disable this option by toggling it off. After making this change, don't forget to click Save to apply your new settings. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully disabled voice messages for your group. This means members will no longer be able to send voice messages, helping you maintain a more focused and text-based conversation environment. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to make further adjustments as your group's needs change. Taking control of your group's permissions is a great way to keep discussions on track and ensure everyone follows the guidelines you set. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins. Enjoy a more organized Telegram experience.